Hey, it's Meat Thinker here. Today I'm going to make a smoked bologna sandwich. If you just bought a smoker and got into meat smoking, what's the easiest meat you could smoke so that you're learning how to use your smoker and end up with a great product without the fear of wasting it? I would say smoked bologna. It's cheap, comes already cooked, and is pretty hard to mess up. So with this cook, I'll make a smoked bologna sandwich out of this. First, go out and get you a whole log of bologna. Then cut it out of packaging and score your entire bologna in a grid pattern about 1 inch wide and 1 inch deep. Next, slather yellow mustard all around and sprinkle seasoning of your choice. Today, I use Meat Church's Holy Voodoo. It's a big chunk of meat, so season your bologna generously. Now set your smoker to 275 and throw your bologna in for about 2 hours. While bologna is in the smoker, I'm going to cook bacon and eggs for the sandwich. Now have a listen to the bacon cooking. Yep, I can stare at the bacon cooking all day. And next is a fried egg. Next is the glazing. For today's cook, I used the Kinder's barbecue sauce, a tablespoon of beer, ground pepper, and Holy Voodoo seasoning. I added a beer to thin out the barbecue sauce so it doesn't leave a thick layer of sauce with a bunch of brush mark. When the bologna hits 2-hour mark, go ahead and brush on the barbecue sauce thoroughly and continue to smoke for about 30 minutes at 300 degrees. Remove it from the smoker and let it cool for about 10 minutes. Cut your bologna into half-inch slices and throw it into the pan to sear both sides and add cheese. Now the sandwich part. Toast 2 slices of bread and spread Dijon mustard, add bologna, strips of bacon, fried egg, and boom, you now have your delicious smoked bologna sandwich. I think bologna is the easiest meat to smoke and the hardest meat to mess up. So if you're trying out your new smoker or just now getting into meat smoking, try smoking bologna and you won't regret it. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and also check out my Instagram handle at Meat Thinker. Thank you for watching and keep meat thinking.